Every US dollars bill begins with a unique cotton fiber paper designed to last for years. The special cotton paper used for US dollars is far stronger than ordinary paper. Before printing begins, the cotton sheets for US dollars move through a carefully controlled production line. The journey of US dollars starts far from the factory, in fields where cotton fibers are harvested. High-quality cotton fibers are essential for producing the durable paper used in US dollars.
Compressed cotton bales are transported to specialized mills that produced paper for US dollars.
The harvested cotton travels hundreds of miles before becoming the paper used in US dollars. The harvested cotton travels hundreds of miles before becoming the paper used in US dollars. The cotton used for US dollars must travel to specialized mills before the paper production process begins. The cotton arrives at a secure facility where the raw fibers for US dollars paper are prepared. Each bale contains the cotton fibers that will eventually become the paper used for US dollars.
The cotton must be carefully cleaned and separated before it can be used for US dollars paper.
The cotton fibers move toward powerful machines that begin forming the pulp used for US dollars.
The cotton fibers are blended with water to create pulp that will form the base of US dollars paper.
The pulp spreads across screens where cotton fibers begin forming the paper for US dollars. Powerful rollers compress the fibers to create the durable paper required for US dollars.
The cotton sheets are dried and strengthened before the printing process that creates US dollars.
The cotton sheets are slowly dried and strengthened to create the durable paper used for US dollars.
Precision rollers smooth the surface so the detailed designs of US dollars can print clearly. The special cotton paper used for US dollars is transported to the currency printing facility.
The cotton paper travels under secure transport to the factory where US dollars are printed.
The cotton paper travels under secure transport to the factory where US dollars are printed.
This secure facility is where the cotton sheets will be transformed into real US dollars.
The cotton sheets arrive on the printing floor, where the creation of US dollars truly begins.
The printing presses prepare to apply the first layers of design onto the paper for US dollars. The moment the press begins, the blank paper starts its transformation into US dollars.
The first layer of ink begins forming the intricate patterns of US dollars.
The designs of US dollars start appearing as the printing process continues.
Each sheet now carries multiple printed images that will become individual US dollars.
Large printing lines operate together to produce thousands of US dollars every hour.
Intaglio printing presses create the raised ink texture that gives US dollars their distinctive feel.
The engraved plates press ink deep into the paper to create the textured artwork of US dollars.
Each sheet now carries multiple detailed prints that will soon become individual US dollars. Multiple printing layers add depth and color to the designs of US dollars.
Complex layers of ink combine to form the detailed artwork seen on US dollars.
Large stacks of printed sheets move forward as the production of US dollars continues.
Each US dollars bill receives a unique serial number during this stage.
Serial numbers make every US dollars bill individually identifiable. The numbered sheets now move to the cutting stage, where individual US dollars will be formed.
Large sheets are precisely cut into sections that contain rows of US dollars.
Precision cutting separates the sheets into individual US dollars bills.
Newly printed US dollars begin forming organized stacks after cutting.
Freshly cut US dollars are aligned into precise stacks for packaging.
Automation helps move large quantities of US dollars through the production line.
Thousands of US dollars move through the factory every hour.
Automated machines align every stack of US dollars so the edges are perfectly straight.
Precise alignment ensures every bundle of US dollars is uniform.
Aligned stacks of US dollars move forward for the next stage of processing. Bundles of US dollars are tightly compressed to prepare them for banding.
Bundles of US dollars are grouped together into larger stacks.
Automation helps organize large quantities of US dollars efficiently.
Grouped stacks of US dollars move towards secure wrapping and storage.
Protective wrapping keeps stacks of US dollars secure during transport.
The wrapped stacks protect large quantities of US dollars during handling.
Wrapped stacks of US dollars move towards secure storage. Millions of US dollars wait here before being distributed across the country. Multiple stacks of US dollars are combined to form larger blocks for pallet storage.
Large blocks of US dollars are formed to simplify handling and storage.
The consolidated blocks of US dollars move toward automated palletizing systems.
Robotic systems place blocks of US dollars onto pallets for transport.
Each pallet holds large quantities of US dollars stacked in precise layers. Plastic wrapping secures pallets of US dollars for safe handling. The wrapped pallet protects large quantities of US dollars during movement.
Wrapped pallets of US dollars move towards secure storage areas. Wrapped pallets of US dollars move towards secure storage areas.
Forklifts transport pallets filled with US dollars inside the warehouse.
Large storage warehouses hold massive quantities of US dollars.
Pallets of US dollars are stored securely before distribution. Pallets of US dollars are stored securely before distribution. Millions of US dollars are stored in secure facilities before distribution.
Pallets of US dollars begin moving toward shipping docks.
Stacks of US dollars are precisely aligned and ready for packaging. The journey of US dollars continues as they prepare to leave the factory.
Pallets of US dollars are loaded into armored trucks for secure distribution.
Inside armored trucks, stacks of US dollars are secured for transport across the country.
The fully loaded convoy of US dollars prepares to leave the production facility.
Armored trucks transport pallets of US dollars from the factory to regional storage facilities. Armored trucks move in formation, carrying stacks of US dollars through city and industrial roads. Pallets of US dollars arrive at a regional distribution center, ready for secure storage. Each pallet of US dollars is transported securely to the vault for temporary storage. Regional distribution centers handle massive volumes of US dollars, ensuring secure storage before shipment to banks. Inside the vault, pallets of US dollars are stored securely under heavy protection.
Security systems monitor every pallet of US dollars in the vault. Armored convoys prepare to deliver pallets of US dollars to banks across the region.
High-precision blades trim edges to make every US dollars bill perfectly uniform. Macro precision ensures that the edges of US dollars are smooth and even. Trimming stations process stacks of US dollars in perfect rhythm, maintaining uniformity. A protective finish is applied to enhance durability and visual detail of US dollars.
Each US dollars bill receives a thin protective coating, preserving its quality.
Stabilization presses compress stacks of US dollars, creating solid, uniform blocks. Each US dollar stack is stabilized under pressure to maintain perfect shape. Multiple stacks of US dollars are stabilized simultaneously, ensuring uniform quality.
Close inspection ensures every stack of US dollars meets high-quality standards.
Stacks of US dollars pass final inspection before entering packaging. Stacks of US dollars are precisely aligned and ready for packaging.
Stacks of US dollars are now ready for packaging, marking the completion of the core finishing process. Stacks of US dollars are now ready for packaging, marking the completion of the core finishing process. Each stack of US dollars is wrapped with protective film to maintain quality during handling.
Protective wrapping secures each stack of US dollars, preserving alignment and integrity.
Wrapped stacks of US dollars are organized for efficient handling and grouping.
Wrapped stacks of US dollars are grouped together on trays with precise robotic choreography. Robotic systems assemble multiple stacks of US dollars into larger, perfectly aligned blocks. Grouped stacks of US dollars flow seamlessly toward palletizing stations. Each tray of US dollars is positioned with precise alignment on the pallet. Multiple pallets of US dollars are prepared for secure shipment. Pallets of
US dollars are shrink-wrapped tightly for protection during transport. Shrink wrapping secures the entire pallet of US dollars into a stable unit. Wrapped pallets of US dollars flow toward transport with perfect precision.
All straps secured on A deck.
Roger that. Move the next pallet forward.
Each pallet of US dollars is inspected and aligned for transport.
Armored trucks are loaded with pallets of US dollars for secure distribution. Armored trucks are loaded with pallets of US dollars for secure distribution.
Inside the truck, pallets of US dollars are secured for safe transit.
Doors sealed on truck 3.
Confirmed. All teams, prepare for departure.
Armored trucks transport pallets of US dollars from the warehouse to regional distribution centers. Armored convoys move in coordinated formation, delivering pallets of US dollars safely.
Inside the truck, pallets of US dollars are monitored continuously during transit.
All units, convoy secure. Starting unload sequence at Bay 2. Keep the perimeter tight.
Pallets of US dollars are transported efficiently within the hub toward storage. Pallets of US dollars are stored securely inside high-security vaults. Every stack of US dollars is monitored and stored with maximum security. Thousands of pallets of US dollars are stored securely, ready for future distribution.
Pallets of US dollars are organized and secured for distribution across the country.
Each pallet of US dollars is adjusted and stabilized before transport.
Pallets of US dollars are ready for secure nationwide distribution.
Armored trucks are loaded with pallets of US dollars for secure national distribution. Armored trucks are loaded with pallets of US dollars for secure national distribution. Inside trucks, pallets of US dollars are secured for safe transit. Convoy trucks fully loaded with US dollars are ready for nationwide delivery. Armored trucks transport pallets of US dollars through highways and urban roads.
The convoy moves in formation, delivering pallets of US dollars securely.
Inside the truck, pallets of US dollars remain secure during transit.
Pallets of US dollars arrive at regional banks, ready for secure storage.
Pallets of US dollars are transported safely into the vault for storage.
Multiple pallets of US dollars are unloaded securely at the bank.
Pallets of US dollars are arranged in vaults, ready for circulation.
Vaults of US dollars are fully prepared for safe bank distribution.
Each pallet of US dollars represents precision, security, and readiness for circulation. The vault holds countless pallets of US dollars, ready to reach banks nationwide.